In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate social media analytics in Airtable from scratch. First, log into Airtable on your desktop. If you're starting fresh, click Add a Base and choose Start from Scratch. If you already have a base you want to use for analytics, go ahead and open that. The goal is to create a clean, centralized place for your social performance data, so you can stop copying numbers into spreadsheets. Inside your base, rename the first table to Social Media Metrics. Now add the fields you'll need. Create platform as a single select with options like Instagram, X, Facebook, TikTok and LinkedIn. Add account name as a single line text field. And metric date as a date field so you can track when each metric was recorded. Add number fields for followers, impressions and engagements. Include a formula field for engagement rate and a long text field for notes. This setup gives you a complete snapshot of performance for each account and date. For the engagement rate formula, use engagements divided by impressions. This instantly calculates how effectively your content is generating interactions relative to reach. You can format that formula as a percentage for quick scanning and add a note explaining how you measure engagements, so your team is consistent. Next, connect your data source. You can use Airtable automations or third-party connectors like Zapier or Make to pull metrics from your social platforms into your base automatically. When you set this up, map each incoming value to the correct field and make sure the date and platform selections line up with your table. Quick reminder while we're here, the link to the Airtable website is at the top of the description so you can open it and follow along. If you prefer an app experience, you'll also find the download link there. Create performance views to make trends obvious at a glance. A metrics by platform view helps you compare channels side by side. A weekly growth view highlights changes over time. High engagement posts surfaces posts exceeding your typical rate, while low performance alerts focuses your attention where improvement is needed. To stay proactive, add optional automations. Set up alerts when engagement drops, flag rapid follower growth, and send weekly performance summaries to your inbox or a channel your team uses. This turns your base into a lightweight monitoring system that runs in the background. Finally, review and optimize your setup weekly or monthly. As your goals evolve, adjust formulas, refine filters in your views, and tweak automations so the insights stay relevant and actionable. That's how you can automate social media analytics in Airtable and track growth without manual reporting. Thanks for watching.